Hello everyone, this is Data Geek Trading once again coming with a very different trading approach. In this video we are going to learn about how to take a trading decision or how to build a trading perspective without looking at the charts. Now this might sound a bit weird to you guys as to how can we do trading without charts. Obviously while we are trading we would look at charts, but this is just to show how with pure play data analytics you can build a trading perspective without looking at any charts. So step number one is to build a view about what could potentially happen to the market tomorrow, and then agree with yourself on whether I should be looking more at short trades or I should be looking at long trades. But as you know, Bank Nifty had a massive crash which I had shared on my Twitter handle as well, and you can also see SGX Nifty which is going to open negative tomorrow. Also the US markets were on red tomorrow, so obviously it goes without saying that we would be looking at short trades. Now to do that you need to get this QuantSap application. I generally use it for all my data driven trading decisions, and then you would need another app which is Sensible for more visual and faster analytics on drawing the levels. So in QuantSap, let's try to go to the built up option, and then you click on script. Once you click on script, you have to go to cycle. Now in this cycle, what this basically shows is that this basically at the instance it would show a very fancy dashboard with a lot of colors. I'll explain you what they are. So a green check would mean a long, a blue would mean a long unwinding, a red would mean a short, and a mehendi kind of color, brownish color, would show a short covering. Now since we are looking at short trades, look back period tells this algorithm as to how many days do you want this algo to look back, and then we just click on this reading where we click on short and short covering. LLU means long unwinding, SSC means short and short covering. So we click on short and short covering, and then we ask the algorithm to, let's say we look back for the last 30 days, and since we want to be very sure about our short trades, let's ask it to check for last 22 days, and then we click on apply. So it will narrow down the universe for it, and let's say you just need to observe the patterns here a bit and see where you get the maximum of shorts. So you see Godrej Properties, sorry, on the second one, which has a lot of shorts. So these are shorts, then there was a bit of short covering, then there was a long, there was a huge short covering rally, then again there are a lot of shorts, then again a short covering, then again a short. So this seems to be creating a lot of short covering cycle. Then what we go and do is we go to Sensible, we go on analyze, we go on open interest, and we click on Godrej Properties here. Now what you would see is Godrej Properties, wait, let me just click here. Yeah, in Godrej Properties, yes, you would see that the spot is currently around 1363.25, and the nearest support is 1360, and the next average support is 1340, and then the next major support is 1300. So let's just note this down. I'll just open my Excel sheet and just note this down. So currently we are at 1360, and the next average support was at 1340, and then the major support was at 1300. Now we are currently at 1363. What I would do is, let's say when the stock falls below 1360, I would take a short position. When it would cross 1340, I would do a pyramiding, which is I would add on to my short positions, and then when it crosses reaches 1300, I would book my profits. That would be my trading perspective. Now let's go to TradingView and look at the chart and try to validate the same levels, just so that we are sure that also the chart is speaking the similar language. So now when I go to this TradingView, and let's put in Godrej Properties. Okay, so we are here. All right, so as you can see that the Godrej Properties, as highlighted by our algorithm, is in a short covering cycle, and currently the stock price is at 1363 somewhere, right? And what we are told that if it crosses below 1360, we would take a short position. All right, then let's just mark the line of 1360. It is somewhere here. Okay, this is making sense in the chart also. That confirms our analysis. And I'm saying at 1340, which is the average support, so most likely it will be crossed. There I would do the pyramiding. So let's mark 1340 here as well. 1340 is right here. Okay, cool. Now see, this is also making sense because this is one of the average supports which it has in the immediate term. So once this crosses, I would take a position here, and what I'm saying is I would add to my positions here, because if this breaches, this is going to get tested for the third time, so most likely it will definitely cross below. Then what I was saying is that I would book my profits at 1300. all right, then let's now look at the 1300 level. It is somewhere here. All right, so this is also making sense. So what now, how I would try to do my trading plan is I would just go to the 1 hour chart and I would create a short position here initially at this breach, which is 1360. I would keep my stop loss above the swing high so that I'm relatively safe, and I would drag my target to here, which is a whooping 4.36. Now what this shows, if you look at the chart, yes, it also is kind of showing a head and shoulder breakout and all of these things, but I don't believe in these patterns because these are just random patterns. They get created randomly. What I really believe in this is in this data driven trading. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. This is how we should trade, because we know for a fact that if this level gets breached, the next immediate level is this, and this level doesn't look so strong. So most likely if the markets collapse tomorrow, this would easily get taken out, and then we would be landing at 1300. And what we are trying to do is we are trying to validate that with the chart, so that our main input for the trade is data and our confirmation is the chart. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.